Hello ProcrasCreators! Today I have been really procrastinating. Oh my goodness. So I have made several shirts or cut out several shirts. I still need to press them down. But I left one so that I can show you guys how to layer some vinyl. So I have an orange bin at home, and so being the proud mama that I am, this Syracuse orange has 4 layers. So I wanted to show you how to do this. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So we're going to put all of these plus, you know, I gotta represent who I am. So I'm gonna put Noah's mom probably on the back. So I wanted to show you how to do this layered design on the shirt today, since I'm here making all kinds of stuff. So let's get to it. So the first thing that we need to do is to warm up our press. So I'm gonna cut it on. This type of vinyl is normally set at around 305 for 20 seconds. Did I do that right? Yep. Hitting all kinds of buttons. Come on, timer. So if you watch me just hit all those buttons, you see that you hit the temperature, you hit your plus button to get it to 305, and then you hit your timer, and it's preset for 30 seconds, so you take it down to 20, hit your timer again, and this orange or red button tells you that it is warming and getting to that temperature. As you can see, we're now at 105 degrees. So normally while it's warming, I go ahead and put a little bit of heat on the shirt. So basically I'm ironing it. And it does something to the fibers, the heat, to prepare it for the vinyl that is going to go on the shirt. The next thing that I like to do, just because I'm a little anal, just a little, I want to make sure that it is centered. So I always go down about 2 inches, and then I just make sure that my design is even from one side to the other. So it looks like this particular shirt, I go from the end to the end. I didn't move that over very much. Let's see. So we'll just do it this way. See if I kept that there. Nope. And then should be good there. So that's just me. You know, some people eyeball it, and honestly in some cases I do eyeball it, but in this case I want it. I want to make sure that it's centered. So as you heard that while I was talking, we got the beep. So we have the green light here, so we can just go ahead and put down our first layer. And because we have to do multiple layers, you don't have to do it for the whole 20 seconds. So I'm gonna do it for maybe about 12 seconds and see if I can pull it off. So let's see, that was about 12 there. And I got a piece right here. I didn't get anything, so let's see if we can get that off. And the reason you don't keep it the whole time is because you have so many layers that have to go down. So that is my first layer, ba-bam. Second layer, and I just do it by the layers. If you want to know, like, why do I go in this particular order, it's the order of the mats. So I'm doing it in the order of the mats in Design Space. So I get that all lined up. And actually, I'm gonna use the backing here just to cover up the vinyl that has already been put down, so that I don't melt that. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit that and leave that for another 10 to 12 seconds. And that is 12 seconds right there. So I'm gonna take that up. There, so cute, so cute. Now we're gonna get our third layer here. Look at that orange bin. So that looks a little off. What is going on? Yeah. All right. If you can see, I am a little not staying where I want it. So I am that person that's going to try to get it as perfect as possible. And sometimes that means you have to use your little tools to place it where you want it to go. Like thus and so. So, try not to stick my tongue out. You know how you want something just right, you gotta put your tongue in it, right? So, I don't sound good, but all right. I'm just gonna keep moving that. So we're gonna do another 12 seconds for this. All right, and that was about 12. And look at that, it's so cute. We have one more layer to go. And like I said, I just like to cover it so that I don't mess up what we've already done, because it will melt some of your things if you don't be careful. So, all right, guys. Look at that. Bam. And look at there. So that quickly, we have our Syracuse Orangeman shirt. And then just while I have y'all real quick, I'm not gonna measure this just because maybe I will. So I'm gonna measure this and put this on and come back and show you the finished product, and that will be that. So I hope this was helpful. Please look at the links that I have in the description box. I do have affiliate links. Also, please leave me comments. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get 100 subscribers. I know I'm still early in this game, but I'm trying to get that 100 before the end of the month. So please help me by subscribing, and I appreciate you doing this, and I hope that these videos are helpful. I truly enjoy what I get to do with using my Cricut. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. And like I said, if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. See y'all.